Hello and salam friends. We will learn how to create words portrait. It seems like that. Let's see how we create it. I downloaded this image from pxels.com. You can download these kind of images as well. Let's get started. First, create duplicate layer. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Go to Select, Subject. It will create selection around subject. Click on Select and Mask. We need to refine hair only. Selection for other area of image is good. Move brush around hair of model. And refine beard as well. Next. Scroll down and check decontaminate colors. Make amount 100% for it. Select output to new layer, then hit OK. Here is image without background. Create a blank layer beneath model image. Press Ctrl and create new layer. Background color is set to black. And we need to fill blank layer with black color. Press Ctrl plus backspace to fill it with black color. Select layer of image. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to desaturate image. Right-click on image and select duplicate layer. Select New in Document. Name it as your choice. I am going to name it Art of Words. Then hit OK. Here a new document with the name of Art of Words. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select radius 2 pixels and hit OK. Go to File. Save as. I will save it at desktop as PSD file. Don't need this document, so close it. We need bunch of words. Open a website for that purpose. Site is wordart.com. Open it and click on Create Now. Second page will open and click on Create New Word Art. Another page will open. Need to import text, so click on Import. Need to paste text in this box. I have some lyrics by William Shakespeare. Select all lyrics and right-click to copy. And paste lyrics in the box. I recommend to check all these three options. Then click on Import Words. Click on Options. Keep Repeat All. Select Use Size column in size. So word size will be calculated according to size column value. Keep links as none and click on Close. There are 4 options for words. Choose uppercase. Next, click on Shapes. There are different shapes, but we need a black square shape. Come back to Photoshop. Click on File, New to create a new document. We will create a document with width and height 1000. Resolution is 72. Color mode RGB. Background content is black and hit Create. Again, go to File, Export, Save for Web, Legacy. Click on Save and save it at desktop with any name. Suppose I am going to name it BG and click on Save. Don't need it, so close it. Come back to site again. Click on Add Image. Click on Open Image from your computer. Choose that black BG image from desktop. Select it and open it. Make threshold 100% and set edges to 0. Then hit OK. Here is our black box shape and it is active. Now choose fonts. I am going to select League Gothic fonts. Now choose Layout. Select Horizontal, Vertical. Define word amount all the way to right. Maximum amount is 999. Make density to 50%. Last we have style, so click on it. Choose custom words colors. Click on any color and a window will pop up. Remove all these color by clicking on them. And we will add white color to palette. Click on close. Make color emphasis to 100%. Make 0% amount for background image. Now, click on Visualize. It will start visualizing and generate words. We need to download it. Click on Download and choose Standard PNG. You need to pay for download in HD. Download standard PNG because we don't need HD. It has been downloaded. I will save it at desktop. Jump back to Photoshop. Click on File. Place Embedded. Place this wordart file on image. Keep blend mode darker color or lighter color. Later we will adjust in final blend mode. Press Alt and make duplicate layer and attach with first one. Keep making duplicate layers and attach with each other. Cover human image with text document. Select all layers of text and merge by pressing Ctrl+E. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Horizontal and vertical scale is 20. Check stretch to fit and repeat edge pixels. Then click OK. It will ask PSD file we saved earlier. Select PSD file and open it. It will change shape of text. Press Ctrl and click on human image layer. It will make selection. Select layer of text and create mask on it. Active text layer not mask and invert it. Click Ctrl+I to invert it. Change blend mode from normal to overlay. So, here is text portrait. Create level adjustment layer at the top of layers. Increase little bit brightness by midtone slider. Or darken the image by shadow slider. This is a very easy way for beginners to create a words portrait. You can adjust brightness and darkness by your choice. I hope you like this video with simple steps. If so, then hit like and subscribe. I will talk to you later. Till next, Allah Hafiz.